everyone, no? So karon atong 5th day sa pag-answer diri sa mga questions sa atong Flipcards, guys. And karon pod atong last day pod para ma-prove nato if this is a effective learning tool ba jud sa pag-learn nato sa atong mga lessons sa atong particular subjects. So guys, same method gyapon natong himuon, magsaksak tag ikatulo, then inato gyapon mag-start na pud tag quiz. So karon guys, atong goal ani is mahurot nato ni siya maansiran og correct or ma-correct nato atong ma-correct answer ta ani sa tanan nga mga questions. So start na ta guys, di nato dugayon na no. So ato na siyang isaksak. 1, 2 and 3, and like last time, i-flip na to ang last para di makita ng ang answer. And now, start na ta guys. So first question, nata sa green nga flip card. So first question is, what are the differences between waterfall and agile models in terms of project size suitability? So guys, ang waterfall kay kuan siya work best for large, well-defined projects, while ang agile nato kay ideal for small to medium-sized evolving projects. So 1, 2, 3, flip, and naara ang answer. So down. So correcta guys. Okay, so correcta mo nang answer guys ha. So correcta. And then now for second question. Differentiate the testing phase of waterfall and agile model. So sa testing phase nila guys, ang waterfall is done after development is complete, while ang agile nato guys is siya, continuous throughout development. So atong i-flip para makita ang answer. 1, 2, 3, flip, and naarang answer. So correcta guys. Okay, so correcta guys. So second correct na nato ni. Okay, third question. So, what are the strengths of the agile model? So, ang strength sa agile model, guys, kay first is kuan siya. Requires close collaboration. Tapos, dili na siya kuan. Weaknesses man ito. Strength man rin guys, no? So, ang strength niya, guys, kay kuan siya. Flexibility. Customer collaboration. Naapod siya faster delivery. Naapod siya wait lang guys ha, nato ang duha ka buok. Nato siya better risk management. Of course, naapod to siya kuan early bug detection. So early bug detection guys ang isa. So atong i-flip para makita natong answers. 1, 2, 3, start and flip, and naara. Flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, and better risk management. So correct ta guys ha. So pang third correct na nato ni. And now for the fourth question. So use blank if the project requires continuous updates, user feedback, and rapid delivery of working features. So ang answer ani is agile. So atong i-flip. 1, 2, 3, flip. And here we go. Correct guys, agile ang answer. So pang fourth corrected na answer na to. And now for the fifth question, how do waterfall and agile approaches differ in terms of time to market, flexibility, and change management? So sa time to market guys, ang waterfall kay longer, while ang agile is faster. Sa flexibility pod, ang waterfall may low, then ang agile is high. Then sa change management, ang waterfall kay difficult and costly, ang agile kay easily adaptable. So i-flip nato siya para makita ang answer no. 1, 2, 3, flip, and naara ang answer. So larger, faster, low, high, difficulty, and costly, and of course easily adaptable. So correct ta guys, and this is now pang fifth nga correct na nato. So karon pang sixth question, what are the strengths of the waterfall model? So sa waterfall model guys, naatay upat ka strengths. So first, clear structure, predictability, good for large projects, and easier to manage. So atong i-flip para makita ang answer. 1, 2, 3, flip, and okay, so correct ta guys. Clear structure, predictability, good for large projects, and easier to manage. So correct ta guys. Pang 6 na correct na nato ni guys. And now for 7th question. Pang 7th question guys. So what are the weaknesses of the agile model? So sa weaknesses sa agile model guys, it requires close collaboration, difficult to predict cost and time, of course, then dependency on skilled teams, and also not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure. So, atong i-flip para may bala na to ug mao ba tong answer. 1, 2, 3, flip, and nara. Requires close collaboration, difficult to predict cost and time, not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure, and dependency on skilled teams. And we are correct sa itong 7 nga question, pang 7 question sa weaknesses. So, natay 7 correct. So, kani ang pang 8 nga question. What are the key Agile methodologies? So, ang key Agile methodologies, there are 3. Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming. And i-flip na to guys. So 1, 2, 3 flip. And ano yung answer? So correct na po ta. Pang 8 correct na nato ni. And now for 9th question. Use blank if the project requires well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timelines. So ang answer ani is waterfall. So 1, 2, 3 flip. And mauni ang answer, waterfall. So correct ta guys. So pang 9 correct na nato ning dapita. And now for our 10th question. How do waterfall and agile model differs? Agile models rather differ in terms of customer involvement and risk management. So sa customer involvement guys, ang waterfall kay minimal lang siya mainly at the start. While sa atong agile model is kuan, continuous feedback and collaboration. Pag-abot sa risk management, ang atong waterfall, high risk siya due to late stage testing. While ang atong agile guys is lower risk siya due to frequent iterations. So atong i-flip. 1, 2, 3, flip, and lantaw na tong answer. So customer involvement, ang waterfall, minimal, mainly at the start, correct. Agile, continuous feedback and collaboration, correcta. Then, risk management sa waterfall, high risk due to late stage testing, correcta dira. Then, agile, low risk due to frequent, sana siya, iterations. So, correcta guys. So, correcta diring dapita guys. So, nanatay pang 10 correct. So, sunod-sunod na jud guys, no? Unta hantod sa paghuman, mag-correct lang jud ni tanan. So, pang 11th question, compare waterfall and agile in terms of their approach. So sa waterfall guys, kay sequential and structured, ang agile kay iterative and flexible. So 1, 2, 3 flip, and mauni ang answer. So correct na po ta guys. So pang 11 correct na nato ni, no? So kani ang pang 12 nga question, unta correct na pud ni. So the blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phases must be completed before the next phase begins. So, ang answer ani is waterfall model. So, 1, 2, 3, flip, and we are correct. So, correct ang pang 12 nato nga question. Ang answer rather sa 12 question. Okay, now for 13th question. The blank is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So, ang answer ani is agile model. So, atong i-flip. 1, 2, 3, flip. And now, we are correct. So, agile model siya, guys. And now, pang 13th question. So, what are the typical phases? Pang 14th na ni siya, guys. So, what are the typical phases of waterfall model? So, there are 6. So, first is requirements analysis, then system design, napunta implementation, dayon kuan integration and testing, pang 5th kay deployment, and lastly pang 6 nato is maintenance. So atong i-flip guys. So 1, 2, 3 flip, and here we go. Mano na siya ang ato ang answer: requirements analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance. So correct ta guys, pang 14th question and pang 14 corrected answer. And lastly kani atong pang last question. So, what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So, kanito guys, itong wala kay nansiran ata ganina. Ay, nansiran nato day ni siya. So, nansiran day nato ni last time. So, ang kuan na ni guys, sa itong waterfall model is kuan. Excuse me sa is kuan. Na siya in flexibility, slow adaptation to changes, not ideal for uncertain requirements. So, mo itong wala na tubag ato niagi, no? And then, late testing. Again, inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing, and not ideal for uncertain requirements. So, ato siyang i-flip, guys. O, sakto ba, Jud? 1, 2, 3, flip. Unta sakto. Then, here we go. Inflexibility, check. Slow adaptation to changes, check. Late testing, check. Not ideal for uncertain requirements, check. So, check ta, guys. So, overall, na-check na to tanan ato ang mga Flipcards. So, ang questions tanan Flipcards na to, na-check na to tanan, guys. Overall, guys, nakakuha taog 15 over 15. So, nara, guys, oh, nansira na to siya tanan, and we are so very, very, very good. So, mo na to, guys, no, sa last day. So, maura jud, guys, sa last day, nakuha na jud nato tanan, no, nansira na to siya tanan. And of course, maghatag kog opinion, no. So, all I can say is, kuan jud siya. Kani nga Flipcards is effective tool jud siya, no, nga magkuan ta learning, especially kung ating ikuan jud is everyday jud ta mag-study sa atong mga subjects, sa mga lessons, no. So maka-learn jud ta, especially gamit pud ani nga Flipcards kay na I answer diri sa likod and nato mga ng questions. So of course, naman jud mga time nga makalimot ta. So pag i-flip lang nato, so ma-remember na ito, mo itong answer di ay. So effective jud siya, guys. Bisa pag magkuan siya nimong time, kay of course sa paghimo ani kinahanglan man jud nag time and efforts, and of course kani mga gamit. So bisag nato, guys, despite ana, guys, makatabang jud gyapon nato siya, no. So mao ra to akong maingon, guys. So mao to overall na perfect nako, then na-prove nako sa akong self nga para na pud sa ko, for me, guys, is effective jud siya nga tool. Unta effective po ni siya sa inyo, ha, and of dili man gani, so nara po na sa inyo kay lain-lain man pud taog kuan, no, kung unsa gamiton nato nga tool as a learning tool. So mo ra to, guys. So mo ni akong 5th day, and again, please like and subscribe and have a good day and study well sa inyo ha dira ug sa atoa di ay tanan, since mga students pa ta. So good luck sa atong journey unta makagraduate ang tanan, guys. So mo ra to, guys. Have a good day again and goodbye. Thank you.